Hey guys, I'm going to read a book today and it's called Big Animals in the Sea. Big Animals in the Sea. You can see that it's an octopus. This is level 1, okay? Level 1. Just moving that. This is a big... This dolphin is big. This shark is big. Look, it's so big. Look, a human being, a shark. This octopus is big. Look, compared to us. This stingray is big. It's about the size of us. But you can get bigger. Big. This eel is big. Look, it's just about longer than us. This whale's big. Of course it is. It's the biggest mammal in the world. See, look at that compared to us. Crazy. This is the index dolphin, and there's pages of the eels, dolphin and octopus. And that's the end of the book. Yeah.